Tepoca. Really cool house. Some planters in the front. Very inviting entrance. Downlighting on the stairs. Really cool wood and stone texture. Siding here, stone wood. Enter on balcony here. First sliding door next to the main entrance. Really nice. Look. Super, super cute. Nice little sitting nook here. Let's go through the bedrooms. First bedroom with a sliding door to the neighborhood. Modern closets. This is a shared bathroom. Nice rain shower with a bench. This is the second bedroom. Currently used as a workout room. This is the primary suite. With its own bathroom. Really nicely designed. Built-in bed, just like a nice hotel room. Primary closet. Stepping out into the closed patio with built-in sound, ceiling fan, mini split heat and AC units. Coming down to the outdoor, or I guess dining room solarium combo. And we're gonna come down in a minute to go down there. But before we go down there, take a look at this nice office here. Laundry space. Kitchen. Really nice, cute kitchen. Cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. Bar stools. Sliding doors. Another sliding balcony.
He is the decision maker, I guess.
He's the boss. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Gotta take a look at the back. So, let's go and look at the second, or the real outdoor space, I